Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. I'm Mohammed from Muslim School channel. Have you ever liked to reinstall your Windows 10 or 11 but didn't know how to do it? Or like me, you know how to reinstall or install Windows but you don't have enough time to do it. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can reinstall your Windows using one click. Yes, you can do it. Subscribe, like, and stay with me. If your Windows 10 or 11 is malfunctioning or you are passing it on, consider reinstall your Windows using resetting feature of Windows. This can resolve issues, improve performance, and eliminate malware. However, be aware, before formatting any reset, it's essential to back up any important files to avoid losing data. Okay, let's go to reinstall Windows. Click on the Start menu and choose Settings. Now, select Recovery and choose Reset this PC. Okay, you can choose from two options: keep personal files or remove everything. I want to keep my personal files, so I choose it. In this step, you can choose to reinstall your Windows from your computer or cloud. I choose local reinstall, but if you can reinstall from your local computer, for example, for some errors, you can select cloud download. Okay? And in this step, if you click on View Apps that will be removed, you can see all applications that will be deleted after reinstalling Windows. Okay, and I click on Reset and wait to reinstall Windows. Thanks for watching.